Good evening. Welcome to our restaurant.
Good evening.
Good evening. Do you have a reservation? No, we don't. That's okay. We have a table available for two. Please follow me.
Can we sit in this table?
Of course.
Thank you so much.
Here are your menus. I'll give you a few minutes to decide.
Thank you so much.
Everything looks delicious.
I can't decide.
Have you been here before?
Yes, once. The food was excellent.
What do you recommend?
I think the grilled chicken is really good.
That sounds nice.
Maybe pasta.
That also looks good. Are you ready to order? We'd like to order our drinks first.
Certainly. What would you like?
I'd like a glass of orange juice.
I'll have a lemonade.
I'll be right back.
Here are your drinks. Thank you. Are you ready to order your meals now? Yes.
What would you like?
I'd like the creamy chicken pasta.
How would you like? Your chicken cooked?
Well done, please.
Would you like soup or salad?
Salad, please.
What would you like?
I'll have tomato soup.
Perfect. Your food will be ready in about 15 minutes.
I'm really hungry.
Me too.
The service is very good.
Yes, the waiter is very friendly.
We should come here again.
Definitely.
Here is your tomato soup
Thank you so much.
and the grilled chicken.
Thank you.
Finally, the creamy chicken pasta.
It looks amazing.
Enjoy your meal.
Thank you. Excuse me, can you please bring salt?
It's on the table.
Those are empty.
Oh, I am really sorry. I'll bring it right now. Here is your salt, ma'am.
How's your pasta?
It's delicious. Would you like to try some?
Sure.
Here you go.
Wow, that's really good.
How's your tomato soup?
It's tender and flavorful.
Great.
Would you like to taste it?
Yes, please.
Here.
It's excellent. Would you like some dessert?
What do you recommend?
Their chocolate cake is very popular.
That sounds good.
We'll share one chocolate cake.
Excellent choice.
And 2 cups of coffee?
Yeah, sure.
Did you enjoy your meal?
Yes, everything was wonderful.
The food was excellent.
I'm glad to hear that.
Could we have the bill, please?
Certainly. Here you are.
I'll pay by card.
No problem. Thank you very much.
Thank you for your great service.
We look forward to seeing you. Again, have a wonderful evening. Goodbye, and thank you for visiting.